Azalea, and you're watching my YouTube channel, WayCrunchy. This old shack series, my partner and I bought a 1929 fixer-upper for $20,000 cash. This is my daughter, Zizi. And today, the kids and I got up pretty early, and we got the car all packed up, and we are moving a load of stuff into the fixer-upper. I know it looks a little rough, but this is really kind of one of the only last two things we have left. In my last This Old Shack video, I was stressed. I was very stressed. I'm also a little emotional because I'm freaking pregnant. And I'm trying to move into a fixer-upper on like a winter solstice Christmas deadline. Anyway, so we just have 2 drywall projects left before final inspection. That's it. We're waiting on a contractor to do the hall work and just whenever I can get John over here to do this. But yesterday, basement. Or you could just set it down and go get the other box. All right, Cece, I got... You see all this drywall? There has been hundreds of pounds of drywall in the living room of this house since we bought it. That was over a year ago. I have had a living room full of drywall for over a year. That's a lot. The last floor I have to refinish in this entire house. All the floors in the entire house have been done except for the living room floor because it's been covered in drywall. So I can finally do this floor this week. I'm not really sure what I'm going to do because being pregnant, I don't want to use the floor finish I used before, or if I do, I'm gonna have to get someone else to do it and me stay out of the house a little bit. Fumes for the baby. I might just end up with some kind of natural oil and oil in this wood real good. We will see, to be determined. But as soon as my floor is done in here, we can put up our winter solstice tree. We can put the tree up. We can have cookies and happiness and tree decorating. And probably, we're not ready to spend the night maybe here yet, but we will be hopefully by the winter solstice. On the winter solstice, I want to wake up in this house. So John surprised me by moving all that drywall, and that was the most wonderful surprise in the world because my number one wish in life right now is to get this done. And I couldn't get it done with all that drywall, and I can't move all that drywall being pregnant. So now I can work on the living room and I can work on moving us in. It's happening. It's all happening. My beautiful children, especially Tom, are really helping me with lifting and toting, moving our stuff in. Unloading some kitchen things in our cabinet here. Coming together. Coming together. It's all happening. Today, it feels like it's all happening. Yesterday, it felt like it was never gonna happen. Keep that chin up, y'all. Alright, let's kind of try and get some of these things where they're gonna go. Get things where they're gonna go. Fall in place, fall in line. guys. A vignette is emerging. Plants and books, my favorite things. It's happening, it's happening. All right, let's finish up some of this hole patching in this living room.
What is that?
I'm patching a hole.
Wait, it stick?
This stuff does stick.
Don't you have wood?
Well, keep the bugs out, keep the heating and cooling in.
And wood.
I guess it does also keep water out. Floods.
Yes.
Okay.
But you need to get our dog, our new dog, have big room. What?
I said, oh.
Mama, I want me. My one new heater.
I know, it's so good.
You have to get rid of the old heater.
This house didn't have a heater at all. No heater. We had to just get one for the house.
Patching a hole.
I am patching a hole.
Hey, Mom. How about Christmas go?
It's a little while.
Wait, you mean know how to buy cookies?
I know.
For right now.
We'll do cookies for Santa.
Right now at our new house.
I don't know the date off the top of my head.
At her new house. Done.
Another day and spirits are still high. I want to kind of sort out my desk area a little bit, and then I've got some odds and ends to put up in the bathroom today. I have had these metal vintage shelves for years. I found one and then I found the other, and I just love them. I love them so much. So at first I thought I'd put them kind of over top of my desk, but when I brought them up the stairs, it just jumped out at me that they belong in this corner. That's where they belong. Let's get her level. Get her level. There we go. Spray her in this way. Make it a little tighter. A little tighter. That's it. Just a little. Get in there. I might have to get. I'm gonna have to get a hand screwdriver. There's a flathead. I need a Phillips, but sometimes you can just kind of make it work. Yeah, like that. I just need it in just a tiny bit more. Well, that just looks lovely. That just looks absolutely lovely. They're a little dirty. I'm gonna dust them and wipe them down. But I just love these little pink shells on my pink wall. This is my office, y'all. My azalea space. Here's a few little bits of my craft things on my little office shelves. So I've got that bulletin board over kind of close on top of my desk. And then on the other side, I've got a calendar coming that I really like that I'm gonna hang. I think I'm gonna put my diplomas and my yoga teaching certificate and stuff also on this wall. I film so much for YouTube though, and this is definitely gonna be like a place where I'll sit and do a little coffee vlog. And I don't like to put all my personal information on the internet, so I don't know if I do want to hang my diplomas and certificates and things here. But on the other hand, I'm really proud of my achievements, and the office is a good place to display such things. We will see.